Hi, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. I know, I look kind of dramatically different from the last time you guys got to see me. It's actually the day after Christmas, and I spent a good amount of time yesterday after everyone left stripping the color out of my hair. So all that red, purple that was in there, gone. Don't know her. The color I have had planned to do for January, like winter, I was gonna do all this dark blue in the front like white, but right here where that like absinthe was, it's gotten to like a icy mint color and I can't get it out. I was gonna tone it with pink to get the rest of it out, but I just can't be bothered to do that. Anyway, we're going to just roll with it. It got pretty light for the most part, but anyway, so I've got Nightfall. I don't have a whole lot in here, and I thought I had a whole nother tube, and I've been looking for it, and apparently I don't. So I have 2 tubes of Sorcery. I have a tube of Aquatic. For the front piece, I've got 2 tubes of Moonstone, and I've got a tube of Silver. Put the like blue color on very first, and then I'm not going to really worry about doing all this until the last, like, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. I'm going to see where I want to do these colors. Thinking all of this back blue. I think that looks good. Here's what little bit of Nightfall we have. I'm just gonna take the top off and put whatever I have in the bowl. It's not much. Here's how much Nightfall is in there. It's like a nice, really dark blue. I guess I should tell you guys how we got to this point, huh? So yesterday I did a round of Pulp Riot blank canvas, and I did 20 volume. It did pretty good for the most part, except for the front, and then the back was so red. To get the rest of the red out, I did a round of Joico color eraser with 10 volume. So my hair has been put through the ringer the past 24 hours. So here's how we got so far. My hair's been put through it, and I was gonna put the color on it yesterday, but I just simply didn't feel like it. What we've got. Yeah, I think that's pretty. I'm gonna add some Olaplex to it. Alright, so it's got the Olaplex in it. We get some gloves on. I hope I can keep the blue from getting on the front. Oh my god, that feels so good on my skin right now. I didn't even bleach my roots. This is what the color removers did, so I wasn't planning on bleaching them, and I knew that they would lift some, but they're like straight up yellow. This is gonna look so good. So anyway, I hope you guys liked Vlogmas, because I put a lot of hard work into it, and I think it was good for the channel to do something like that. I don't know, I had a lot of fun doing it. It brought a lot of new followers, so hey, this is kind of like the regular content we do here. I want to make sure I get my undercut really good. I don't want to leave like any parts of it not colored. I just know when I go to change this color, it's going to be so hard to get this blue out. I hope y'all aren't sad that I didn't film the removal process, but it took me like all day to do, and I was so tired. I knew it was going to be kind of like an all day thing going into it, because I know how the undertones of those colors are when you go to like remove them. So I was kind of expecting that to be difficult. I'm just gonna start like globbing it on, because I'm getting stressed out like trying to keep the sections separate. So I want to get all this hair in like one glob, and then I'll start parting it and going through, so that way I can tell better like what is supposed to be blue and what's not. I wish I would have clipped the front up a little better. Oh yeah, this is going so much smoother now because I can feel what needs colored. I'm also filming this with my new Canon EOS R10. I filmed Christmas Day with it. I still need to figure it out, but I think I found a good video setting. I have it on auto right now, so it's adjusting to the lighting. When I think on Christmas it was set to a different mode, because now on video mode there's like 3 different modes, where my old camera was just video, and I had it set to manual focus. When I was editing, I was noticing with my old camera that it would make like this I don't know, like it was focusing noise. It would be like this like weird shuddering sound, and I started noticing that and I was like, I don't want that in my videos. I don't want like my camera to be back there like going all the time. I'm still thankful for my husband that he got me this camera, because this thing has already been awesome. We took some pictures on Christmas Day with Serena. Oh, my neck is bleeding. I don't think I've ever done a hair color with this parting section before, and it's giving 2010 Scene Kid, and I'm gonna have to give myself a scene haircut with a razor. I'm glad that there's Olaplex in this because my hair is so dry after those color removers. Both color removers that I used yesterday are like super harsh and drying. My hair is not exactly in the best state right now. Oh my god, I'm getting tired. I think I'm gonna take the rest of it in the bathroom and check it. I'm gonna check the blue, and then when you guys see me next, I'm going to be putting the toner on the front of my hair. Okay, so I've got my toner for the front. I have mixed up equal parts Silver and Moonstone. I did a little bit of Olaplex #1 and some 10 volume. And I've also sprayed my hair with the bottle so that it's damp. Oh, I was trying not to get it on the blue. I'm not really sure how this is going to turn. I guess anything is better than what it is right now. I'm probably not going to do the outro of this video until another day because I have a feeling that when I rinse this out, it's going to ruin my makeup. This probably isn't the right level for these toners either, but it's fine. Oh, and the developer ratio, I did like 1 to 3 parts. I think I'm actually going to let it sit on my roots for a few minutes and then run it through the ends, just because my ends are pretty porous. I'll be back in a second. So it's only been 3 minutes, but as you can see it's pulling, so I'm going to go ahead and do it through the ends. My roots, I wasn't sure if it was going to take, so I've got some Pulp Riot 8 Ash in the demi because it does not look like the roots are going to take. I guess you guys will either see me when I'm fixing the yellow roots with the 8 Ash, or maybe I'll do that off camera because I might end up doing some that last bit of sorcery to fix like where that developer just got right there. Everything's okay. It's fine. Alright, so here's the color. This is probably at least in my top 10 hair colors I've ever had in my entire life. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm completely obsessed with it. Let me show y'all the back. Yeah. The only thing is this is a complete and total pain to wash. I had like all of this up in a bun in the front and then the blue in a bun in the back, and I was washing them separate. This is actually, let's see, I did this color Monday and it is Friday, so it's been a couple of days since I've done it. I've only washed it once. I washed the top in Olaplex shampoo and the back in Olaplex shampoo, and then I did Olaplex conditioner, and I like rinsed them separately in like cold water. So that's like the maintenance I've done so far. I don't know how long I'm going to keep this hair color because it is kind of a pain, and I would like to do something for like Valentine's Day. We will see where that goes, but I'm pretty happy with it. I have it curled today, but I'm going to put some pictures on the screen of it straight because I have been wearing it flat. This is actually the first time I've curled it. I've been wearing it flat ironed all week. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video, which I'm about to film right now. So, yeah, everybody have a great rest of your day, and bye!